is Cambridge O-Level Additional Mathematics. Paper 1 is odd variant, though its code is 4037. It's odd variant. It's October-November 2021. Its exam duration is 2 hours. As usual, you must use HB pencil for any diagram or graphs. We cannot use erasable pen or correction fluids. We cannot write barcodes. Then show all the necessary workings clearly. No marks will be given for unsupported answers from a calculator. Non-exact numerical answers correct to 3 significant figures or 1 decimal place. For angles in degrees unless a different level of accuracy is specified in the question. So before starting, we should follow through all this information. And its total mark is 80 and all the marks it's given in brackets. And you can check before starting, there are some formulas are given. Algebraic formula, quadratic equation, binomial, arithmetic series, geometric series, trigonometry. From its given identities, sin square a plus cos square a equals to 1, sec square a equals to 1 plus tan square a, cosec square a equals to 1 plus cot square a, and then some formula related to triangle ABC, sine rule, cosine rule, and area of triangle. So that's all the information from these papers.
Let us check what types of equation is it. Multiply 2x, x and x. If you multiply all this, you are having x cube. That means it is cubic graph. The graph of y equals to minus 1 by 4, 2x plus 1, x minus 3, x plus 4. Stating the intercept with the coordinate axis. On x-axis and y-axis where the graph meeting. Before starting this one, let us know the basic concept. If y equals to ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If a greater than 0, the graph will be this shape, and if a less than 0, the graph will be that shape. So let us remember these two shapes, and using these two shapes we can draw the graph of the given question. If y equals to 0, then we can write minus 1 by 4, 2x plus 1, x minus 3, x plus 4 equals to 0. Then minus 1 by 4 cannot be 0, but 2x plus 1 equals to 0 can be, x minus 3 equals to 0 it can be, and x plus 4 equals to 0. So we can simplify x equals to minus half, x equals to 3, and x equals to minus 4. If on x-axis y equals to 0. So similarly on y-axis x equals to 0. So if I use x equals to 0, y will be minus 4, 2 times 0 plus 1. So this will be 1, 0 minus 3 into 0 plus 4, 4. 4 cancel, that is 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, and y equals to minus half, let me put here cross. Then x equals to 3. Then x equals to minus 4, 1 is 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let me label it. 3 minus half, minus 4, 3. Let us draw the graph now. Okay, this is the graph. This is the sketch for this graph, and these all are the points. on the axis. So let me write this one as 0, 3.
This is question number 2. A particle moves in a straight line such that its velocity is b meter per second at time t seconds after passing through a fixed point O is given by v equals to e to the minus 25. Find the speed of the particle when t equals to 1. It's very simple case. Just this is given v equals to e to the power 3t minus 25. What is the value of t? T is 1. So let me substitute here e to the power 3 times 1 minus 25. So let me use calculator. I mean e to the power 3 minus 25, e to the power 3 minus 25. So this is v equals to minus 4.91 is with 3sf. So speed is 4.91 meter per second. Let us go for this question number 3. This is solve the equation cot square 2x minus 1 pi by 3 equals to 1 by 3, where x is in radian and its range is 0 less than equal x less than pi. It is very useful for us for these maths. We can substitute this cot by 10. We can write here 1 by 10 2x minus pi by 3 whole square equals to 1 by 3, and then let us distribute the square. So 10 square 2x minus pi by 3 equals to 3. Now 10 2x minus pi by 3 equals to plus or minus, we are doing square root, plus or minus root over 3. So 10 2x minus pi by 3 can be root over 3, or 10 2x minus pi by 3 equals to minus root over 3. This can happen. These two equations can create. Now let us check. We know that all students take Cambridge. I mean in first quadrant all positive, sine cos tan cot sec cosec. Second quadrant sine positive. Third quadrant tan is positive. Fourth quadrant cos is positive. Since the tan is positive, the position of this values in first quadrant and third quadrant. In first quadrant, just we can do inverse. I mean we will find out acute angle, tan inverse root over 3, and in third quadrant always it will be pi plus tan inverse root over 3. And if you wish you can go more. I think it's not necessary for this, since our range is given 0 less than equal x less than equal pi. 2x minus pi by 3 equals to pi by 3 pi plus pi by 3. So if I solve this part, I mean 2x minus pi by 3 equals to pi by 3, so it will be 2x equals to pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that means 2 pi by 3. Then if I x is subject, 2 pi by 3 divided by 2, that is pi by 3. Then another one is pi plus pi by 3 plus pi by 3, that means pi plus 2 pi by 3 and then 5 pi by 3 divided by 2, that is 5 pi by 6. First of all, this position of this negative number will be in second quadrant. All student trust Cambridge. Second quadrant and fourth quadrant. In these two quadrants, 10 is negative. So we can write here 10 inverse. This quadrant it is pi minus pi by 3. 10 inverse root over 3 equals to pi by 3. So in this quadrant it is pi minus pi by 3. So 2x minus pi by 3 equals to pi minus pi by 3. 2 pi minus pi by 3. Since in this fourth quadrant. So 2x equals to pi. So x equals to pi by 2. Then 2x minus pi by 3. Pi by 3 is subtracted. So 2x equals to 2 pi. X equals to another one is pi. So pi is not necessary. We can write minus 2 by 3. 2x minus pi by 3 equals to minus pi by 3. 2x equals to 0. X equals to 0. So if I write all these answers together, x equals to 0, pi by 3, 5 pi by 6, and then pi by 2. So these are all the answers, solutions for this equation. Let's see question number 4. Find the first three terms in ascending power of x square in the expansion of, and write your coefficient as rational numbers. So let us write the formula first of all. A plus b whole n equals to a to the power n plus nc1 a to the power n minus 1 p plus nc2 a to the power n minus 2 p squared, and it will goes on in that way. Since there is the first three terms, so we can keep up to third term. Let me write here a is half minus 2 by 3 x square whole n equals to whole 8 equals to half to the power 8 plus 8c1 half to the power 8 minus 1, that is 7. B is minus 2 by 3 x square plus 8c2 half 8 minus 2 minus 2 by 3 x square and then whole square, since b square is given. So if I simplify 1 by 2 to the power 8, 1 to the power 8, that is 1, 2 to the power 8, if I use calculator, 2 to the power 8 is 256, and then minus 8c1, that is 8 into 2 to the power 7 is 128, that means 1 by 128 into 2 by 3 x square. If we simplify more, 8c2, that is 28 into 1 by 2 to the power 6, 64 into minus, it will be plus 4 by 9 x to the power 4. 1 by 256. If I simplify this one, 8 into 2 divided by 128 into 3. So this is 1 by 24 x square plus into 4 divided by 9 into 66 x to the power 4. So these all are rational numbers. Okay, this one. Already we have completed this part. I mean, it depends on previous steps. I mean, it depends on question A. So exactly, let me use this answer here. So let me write here 1 over 256 minus 1 by 24 x square plus 7 by 36 x to the power 4 and then 2x plus half, I mean 1 by x whole square. So let 1 by 256 minus 1 by 24 x square, keep as it is what I have done earlier. Let me simplify this one. A plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So let me use that. 4x square plus 2ab, 2 times 2x into 1 by x plus 1 by x square. 1 by 256 minus 1 by 24 x square plus 7 by 36 x to the power 4, 4 plus 1 by x square. Now to find the coefficient of x square, let us find out just the part for x square. This is with x square, the coefficient of x square, the coefficient of x square. So 1 by 256 into 4, then if we multiply these two, then there will also be x square. 1 by 24 into 4, and if we multiply these two, then same thing it can happen, there is x square 36 into 1. Now 1 over 256 into 4 minus 1 over 24 into 4 plus 7 over 36. So this is 25 by 576. So let me write the answer here. 25 by 576. Question number 5. A geometric progression is such that sum of 4 terms is 17 times the sum to 2 terms. It is given that the common ratio of geometric progression is positive and not equals to 1. Find out the common ratio. So first let us write some basic concept of GP. This is general series for GP, and n term is a r to the power n minus 1. Sum of n term, it can be r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1, or if r greater than 1, or we can write a 1 minus r to the power n 1 minus r, though both are same thing, less than 1. Sum to infinity of infinite series, I mean related to GP, is a by 1 minus r, where r less than 1. So here a indicates first term and r is common ratio. In the question, this is given the sum to first 4 terms is 17 times its sum to two terms. Okay, sum we can write sum to four terms is 17 times sum to two terms. Let me write here S4 is 17 times S2. We can write straight A r to the power 4 minus 1 r minus 1 equals to 17 times A r square minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Here A is cancelled, r minus A cancelled. We can write here r square r to the power 4 minus 1. Let me take all these things in this side. 17 r square minus 1 equals to 0. And we can write a square minus b square equals to a plus b times a minus b. So let me write here r to the power 4 minus 1, that means r square whole square minus 1 square, that means r square plus 1 and r square minus 1 minus 17 r square minus 1 equals to 0. Now we can take r square minus 1 as common, then r square plus 1 minus 17 equals to 0, and r square equals to 1, r equals to plus or minus 1. Since progression is positive, not cannot be 1, so we cannot accept this because there is r is negative 1. Since it's looking for positive, so r is negative 1 is not accepted, and not equals to 1, so 1 is also not accepted. And we can write this one minus 16 equals to 0, r square equals to 16, r equals to root over 16 plus minus 16, so r equals to plus minus 4. Obviously r equals to plus 4, since r equals to minus 4 is not acceptable because r is positive. Now it is given that sixth term of geometric progression is 64. So we know sixth term, first term is a, second term is ar, third term is ar square, fourth term is ar 4 a r to the 3. So we can write sixth term is a r to the power 5 equals to 64, and r is substituted by 4 equals to 64. So we can write 64 divided by 4 to the power 5. Let me use direct calculator. 64 divided by 4 to the power 5. So this is becoming 1 by 16. It's quite easy, I think. And explain why this geometric progression does not have sum to infinity. Its mark is 1. We all have already explained that uh, to have sum to infinity, modulus of r must be less than 1. Since here r equals to 4, r is greater than 1, the GP, I mean geometric progression, does not have sum to infinity. A 5-digit number is made using the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. No digits may be used more than once in 5 digits numbers. That is, we are going to make 5 digits numbers with the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now question is that how many such 5 digits numbers are odd and greater than 70,000? Let me make 5 digit numbers. Let me consider 5 digits numbers 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so to make 5 digits number and to make it is 70,000. So first place can be 7, 8 or 9, and to make it odd, after placing 7, we can place here 1 or 2, not 2, we are making odd, so we can place here 3, 5 and 9. After placing 8, we can fix 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And after placing 9, we can fix in this position 1, 3, 5, 7. Okay, so we fixed this position, we fixed that position. There are 8 more numbers. We need to, from these 8 numbers, we need to choose 3 digits. So 8P3 and 8P3 and 8P3 ways we can replace. So let us 7 can place in one way, then 8P3 into, there are 4 digits 1, 3, 5, 9, that means 4 ways we can place in this position, then plus 8 can be placed in one way, then 8P3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 ways we can place it. Then again 9 can be placed in one way, then 8P3 into 4 digits can be placed by 4 way. Now we can use calculator to simplify this. 8 shift multiplication, then 3, so it is 336. 336 into 4 plus 336 into 5 plus 336 into 4, so this is 336, sorry. So we can add all this. 336 into 4 plus 5 plus 4, close the bracket, it is 4,368. Okay, now let me solve question B. Find the number of combinations and objects taken 3, so we can write here and C3 is 2 times, 2 into number of combination and objects taken 2 at a time. We know the formula, NCR equals to n factorial, n minus r factorial, and then r factorial. So we can write here n factorial, n minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial, 2 times n factorial, n minus 2 factorial, and then 2 factorial. We can simplify n factorial cancelled, then 2 factorial means 2, so this 2 will be cancelled, So we can write finally 1 by n minus 3 factorial. 3 factorial equals to 1 by n minus 2 factorial. We know that 5 factorial can be written 5, 4, 3, 2 into 1. Or we can write 5 into 4 factorial. That means 6 factorial can be 6 into 5 factorial, or 10 factorial can be written as 10 into 9 factorial. Same way, n minus 2 factorial can be written n minus 2 into n minus 3 factorial. So 1 by n minus 3 factorial, 3 factorial. N minus 3 factorial, n minus 3 factorial will be cancelled. And this is 3 factorial, so we can write 6 equals to 1 by n minus 2. That means n by 2 equals to 6, so n equals to 8. So this is the final answer. Question 7. This is the diagram given. It's a circle. Center O, radius 10 centimeter. 10. This is 10. This is also 10. The points A, B, and P lies on the circumference of the circle. The chord AB 14. Point Q lies on AB. Q is perpendicular to AB. Show that the angle POA is 2.366 radian. Correct to 3 decimal places. This whole length is 14. We can write this part is 7 and that part is 7. Since isosceles triangle, this triangle is isosceles triangle, and this divides the chord into equal parts. Angle is, this is 90 degree, opposite by hypotenuse. So we can write sine AOQ equals to 7 by 10. Now AOQ equals to sine inverse 7 by 10. Now this whole angle is 180 or pi. We know that 180 degree equals to pi radian. So we can say this is pi. So upper angle will be pi minus, POA will be 180 minus pi minus sine inverse 7 by 10. So let me write POA equals to pi minus sine inverse 7 by 10. So shift pi minus shift sine 7 by 10. This is 2.366. Correct to 3 decimal places. Now we need to find out the area of the shaded region. We know this angle. The area of this triangle is, we can write half AB sin theta. So area of triangle AOP equals to half AB sin theta, 10 into 10 sine 2.366. Since this part and that part both are same, so this angle will also be 2.366. Okay, so we can say this is the sector. We know area of sector is half r square theta. So area of sector POB equals to half r square, I mean tan square theta is 2.366. Now if we add 0.5 into 10 into 10, let me check, sine 2.366 close bracket plus 0.5 into 100 into 2.366. We can find out the answer, that is, it is 153. It is 3 SF, 153 centimeter square. To find out perimeter of the shaded part, we can first find out the chord AP, then later on arc AB, then these two lengths are given 10 and 10, we can add these to 10. So let me find out first chord AP. Chord AP, I mean chord's length AP, length of chord, chord AP equals to root over 10 square plus 10 square minus 2 times 10 into 10 cos 2.366. This answer will be 10 squared plus 10 squared minus 2 times 10 into 10 into cos 2.366 close bracket, this one, then root over, answer it will be 18.51 centimeter. Now arc PB will also be L equals to r theta. R is here 10 and theta is 2.366. So if we multiply, it will be 23.66 centimeters. So perimeter of the shaded region equals to 18.51 plus 23.66 plus 10 plus 10, and if we add all this together, 23.66 plus 20, so it will be 62.3 SF, 62.2 centimeter. The curve y equals to x square plus x minus 1 and 2y equals to x square plus 6x minus 2 intersect at the points A and B. Show that the midpoints of AB is 2 point, I mean AB is 29. This is the coordinates. Since there is one clue is given, that is intersect. So it means that we need to solve these two equations simultaneously. So this is, let me consider here equation number 1. This is equation number 2. So we can write here straight x squared plus x minus 1 equals to, this is 2y, that means x squared plus 6x minus 2 divided by 2. Okay, now let me do cross multiplication. 2x squared plus 2x minus 2 equals to x squared plus 6x minus 2. So this minus 2 will be cancelled, and 2x squared and x squared is subtracted from 2x squared. This will be x squared, and 2x minus 6x, that is minus 4x, equals to 0. Here x be common, so x minus 4 equals to 0. That means either x equals to 0 or x equals to 4. So x equals to 0 or x equals to 4. And if I use these values in this equation, if x equals to 0, y equals to 0 square plus 0 minus 1, that is minus 1. So one coordinate is 0 minus 1. And if I use x equals to 4, then y equals to 4 for the 16 plus 4 minus 1. 20 minus 1, that is 19. So another coordinate is 4 and then 19. So we are going to find the midpoint of the line AB. Let me consider this as A and this as B. So midpoint of AB, we know that midpoint equals to x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. So just use these values. 0 plus 4 divided by 2 and then minus 1 plus 19 divided by 2. So this is 2 and 19 minus 1, 18, 18 by 2. This is the midpoint. So 2, 9, it is proved. The line L is perpendicular bisector of AB. Suppose this is the line A, this is B, this is the midpoint, so 2, 9. Since it is given perpendicular, this can be the perpendicular bisector. We need to show that the point C12 and 12, 7 lies on this line. So quite easy. We can find out the equation of this perpendicular line to B. That is, A is here 0 minus 1, B is here 4 and 19. So this is 19 minus, we know the formula for gradient is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Let me consider it is x1, y1, and this is x2 and y2. So y2 minus y1, 19 minus minus 1, so plus 1, 4 minus 0, that is 4. So this is 5. So since perpendicular is reciprocal, I mean it is perpendicular, so its gradient will be negative reciprocal, that is minus 1 by 5. So we can easily find out the equation y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. So the line passes to the point 2, 9. Y minus 9 equals to m is minus 1 by 5 x minus 2. So this is the equation, and to satisfy this point lies on this line, left hand side y minus 9 and right hand side, that will be enough to make the values equal using this one. I mean y minus 9, that is 7 minus 9, so minus 2, and minus 1 by 5, x is 12 minus 2, so 10, 5 to the 10, this is also minus 2. Now check these twos are equal, so 12, 7 lies on the line L1. Equation of the line L is y minus 9 equals to minus 1 by 5x minus 2. Now y minus 9 equals to minus 1 by 5x plus 2 by 5. Y equals to minus 1 by 5x plus 2 by 5 plus 9. Y equals to minus 1 by 5x plus 45, 46, 47 by 5. So this is the equation of the line. And since, let me consider distance from D to AB is D1 and C to AB is D2. So D1 equals to 2 times D2. Let me use here distance for D2 is C's coordinates is 12, 7 and then midpoint of AB is so 12 minus 2 10 square 7 minus 9 so 2 square 2 root over 100 plus 4 104. Then D1 let me consider this as X and Y. So XY to 29 the distance will be root over X minus 2 whole square plus Y minus 9 whole square. Now if we do squaring X minus 2 whole square plus Y minus 9 whole square equals to 4 and root and square cancelled, 4 4 is 16, 4 1 is 4. This is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Let me substitute y equals to minus 1 by 5x plus 47 by 5 in equation number 1. So x minus 2 whole square plus minus 1 by 5x plus 47 by 5 minus 9 whole square equals to 416. Now if we simplify this part, so x minus 2 whole square plus here it is 1 by 5x minus 5 9s are 45, so it should be plus 2 by 5 equals to 416. Now if I take 1 by 5 as common, the simplification will be easier. X minus 2 whole square equals to 416. Let us simplify more. 1 by 25 then x minus 2 whole square equals to 416. Now let me multiply all these terms by 25. So it will be 25 x minus 2 whole square x minus 2 whole square equals, so 416 into 25 it will be 10,400. So 25 x minus 2 whole square it should be 26 x minus 2 whole square equals to 10400. 10400 divided by 26, so it is becoming 400. So x minus 2 whole square equals to 400. Now we know square root of 400 is 20. I mean plus minus 20. So x equals to uh, plus 20 minus, I mean plus 2, that is 22, one answer. Another answer will be minus 20 plus 2 minus 18. So these all are the values of x, and let me substitute it in y. Y equals to minus 1 by 5, x plus 47 by 5. So minus 1 by 5 into 22 plus 47 by 5. Now denominator is same, keep it same, plus 7 minus 2, 5, 4 minus 2, that is 2. Okay, x equals to minus 18, y equals to minus 1 by 5 into minus 18 plus 47 by 5. So it is 18 by 5 plus 47 by 5 and 5 13. So the answer will be 22 5. Possible values of position of D will be 22 5 and then minus 18 13. When e to the power 2i is plotted against x square, that means e to the power 2i against x square, I mean on x-axis will be considered as x square and y-axis will be considered at e to the power 2i. A straight line graph passing through the point 4 7.96. Okay, so let me find out gradient first of all. We know m equals to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So we can consider this one as x1, y1, and this is x2 and y2. So 3.76 minus 7.96 divided by 2 minus 4. Now let us use calculator to simplify this. 3.76 minus 7.96 divided by minus 2. So this is 2.1, or we know the equation of a line is y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. So let me substitute. There is y means this is e to the power 2i, and we can consider any values from here. Y can be 7, y1 can be 7.96, m is 2.1, x is x square, since x is we considered here x square, and x1 is 4. Now e to the power 2i equals to 2.1 x square minus 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, plus 7.96. Now 2y equals to ln 2.1 x square minus 8.4 plus 7.96. So this will be minus, and in decimal it will be minus 0.44. Close the bracket. So y equals to half ln 2.1 x square minus 0.44. This is the y in terms of x. This will be enough to write. Y equals to half ln 2.1 into 1 square, that is 1, minus 0.44. Let me use calculator again. ln 2.1 minus 0.44, close the bracket, divided by 2. This answer will be 0.253. Find the positive values of x for which the straight line exists. For the existence of straight line, we know that log cannot take any negative values. That means logarithm, they don't have any negativity. They cannot consider any negative values. 2.1 x square minus 0.44 greater than 0. 2.1 x square greater than 0.44. So x square greater than 0.44 divided by 2.1. We can write 22 by 105. The critical values of x is plus or minus 22 by root over. So we can draw quadratic graph minus plus whether this part or that part, whether x can be less than minus root over 22 by 105. This is absolutely not acceptable since x cannot be negative, or x greater than root over 22 by 105. This is alright. 0.458. 0.458. For question number 10, the curve with equation y equals to fx is such that, this one given, the curve has gradient is 10 at the point. Show that when x equals to 11 and dy dx equals to 52. If you want to change from double derivatives to single derivatives, you must do integration. If we integrate double differentiation by dx, 2x plus 3 to the power minus half plus 1, that is half, divided by 2 into half plus 5x plus c. So it will be 2x plus 3 to the power half plus 5x plus c dy dx. Find out this constant. The curve as gradient is 10. I mean dy dx is 10 when x equals to 3. I mean 2 times 3 plus 3 to the power half plus 5 times 3 plus c. So 10 equals to 3 to 6, 69, 9 square root of, that is 3 plus 15 plus c. So 10 equals to 15, 3, 18, 18 plus c, c equals to minus 8. Therefore, the equation is becoming dy dx equals to 2x plus 3 to the power half plus 5x minus 8. Now, if I use x value there, x is 11, 2 times 11 plus 3, 5x times 11 minus 8. So 22 plus 3, 25, square root of 25, that is 5, plus 55 minus 8. So 60, 60 minus 8, 55 plus 5, 60, 60 minus 8, this is 52. Dy by dx equals to 2x plus 3 to the power half plus 5x minus 8. Let us integrate this one. If we integrate it will be y equals to 2 into 3 by 2, I mean half plus 1, 2x plus 3 to the power half plus 1, so this will also be 3 by 2, 5x square by 2 minus 8x, let me take constant as d. If we simplify, 2x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus 5 by 2x square minus 8x plus d. Since it passing through the point 3 and 19 by 2, 3 and 19 by 2, let us substitute these values in this equation to find out d. So y is 19 by 2. Let me write here y is 19 by 2. X is 3. 2 times 3 plus 3 to the power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus 5 by 2 into 3 square minus 8 times 3 plus d. So this is 19 by 2 equals to 69. Square root of 9, 3 cube 27. 27 divided by 3 plus, this is a 9, 5 times are 45 by 2 minus 3 8s are 24 plus d. So 19 by 2 minus 27 by 3 minus 45 by 2 plus 24 equals to 2. So d equals to 2. D equals to 2. Let me use this value here, this equation, since we are finding out the fx. So y equals to 2x plus 3 to the power 3 by 2, 5 by 2x square minus 8x plus 2. So question 11, find this is the equation given. We need to find out dy dx. Since it is u by v form, we must do quotient rule. So quotient rule is d dx of u by v equals to v square v du dx minus u dv dx. So let me use this formula here. Y equals to x square minus 5 1 by 3. So dy dx will be x plus 1 whole square. Then there will be x plus 1 because upper one is u, down one is v. V I have written here. D dx of u minus x square minus 5 to the power 1 by 3 d dx of x plus 1. Now, chain rule is must be applied here, but be careful. We always like to make mistake applying chain rule. Suppose this is 1 by 3 x square minus 5, 1 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3, and according to chain rule we can write here 2x minus x square minus 5 to the power 1 by 3, x is 1, 1 is 0. So let me keep rest of the things same. X plus 1, 2x divided by 3 x square minus 5 to the power 2 by 3 minus x square minus 5 3 down it is same. Multiplying numerator by 3 times x square minus 5 to the power 2 by 3 and denominator also 3 times x square minus 5 to the power 2 by 3. We will just write here minus x square minus 5 to the power 1 by 3 times x square minus 5 to the power 2 by 3, and down, let me keep it same, there will be no simplification, square plus 2x minus 3 times half plus 2 by 3, 2 plus 1, 3 by 3, that is 1. We will write here x square minus 5. Keep down, things are same, denominator is same as previous, and then we can simplify more. So if we subtract, keep denominator same, and then subtract x square plus 2x plus 15 divided by 3x plus 1 whole square, x square minus 5, 2 by 3. So I think this is the things what is given to prove this. To find out turning point or stationary point, we can write dy dx equals to 0, and we have got in previous steps dy dx equals to x square plus 2x plus 15 divided by 3x plus 1 whole square, x square minus 5, 2 by 3 equals to 0. And if we simplify this, we can have plus 2x plus 15 equals to 0. That means x square minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0. Now, if we factorize this, x square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 equals to 0. X is common, x minus 5 plus 3 is common, x minus 5. So x equals to minus 3 or x equals to 5. But let me check the question. In the question it is given x is greater than minus 1. So x cannot be minus 3, x should be 5. Nature of a stationary point. We need to find out d2y by dx square first of all, and then if d2y by dx square greater than 0, I mean second derivative is greater than 0, then the point is minimum. If d2y by dx square less than 0, the point is maximum. That will be enough to show because we need to explain.